Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on how to change a cabin filter on a 2014 or newer Nissan Rogue. Alright, so of all the cabin filters to replace on Nissan vehicles, the second generation Rogue is among the easier ones. I'm going to show you how to do it without taking the glove box out. It's located right up here behind the glove box. You can see I have my light on it. There it is. And it's got a little finger hole on there. And that's where you want to stick your finger through, grab it, and give it a little pull. And it's a lid that'll pop right off. And behind there, that's where the actual cabin filter is. This one is pretty easy to get out because it's thicker. Some of the thinner ones, they kind of rip apart sometimes if they're old. But usually you can get these out no problem. Just give it a little shake, a tug, and pull it out. Sometimes a lot of leaves come out. You need to vacuum them up. But then when we install the new one, we just want to make sure the arrow for the airflow is facing us. And then this one I put in from the bottom first and then kind of squeeze the top in. They go back to their original shape pretty easy, so you can be a little bit rough with them. But then once you get it in there, just move it back and forth, make sure it's nice and even. That's why you get the best air filtration. No leaves are going to get passed into your blower motor. And after like that, and then afterwards just look in there, make sure everything's nice and straight. And then as far as the lid goes, it just slides back on like so. Remember, the finger hole faces you, and then you just slide it in until you feel a click. Now this one gave me a little bit of a problem because I was doing it one-handed. I was holding the camera with one hand, doing this with one hand. So having the ability to use two hands definitely makes life a whole lot easier. And then once you get it in there, you just want to go till you feel a click. Then just give a little tug, make sure it don't come off. And that's how to do a cabin filter on a 2014 newer Rogue. Thanks for watching.